Hello, peoples. Guess what time it is? Time for another unclaimed packages unboxing from Fun Delivered. But first, I want to thank those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. For whatever reason, I wouldn't subscribe, but I thank those who have, and tell your friends. There's going to be more unboxings of various items. They're all a mystery, so if you love good mysteries, I hope you'll stick around with me. But without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Again, this is from Fun Delivered. I say again, but I don't remember if I even said that to begin with. But anyway, I'll give you their website and a little more details once we discover what's inside. We're going to be seeing the things that other people who were supposed to see their items never saw. So, we're opening the box. Oh, first impressions are lasting ones. Let's see what, look, it's a blue package. It feels kind of, well, not kind of, it is squishy. So let's see. Oh, there, I said it. Let's see. I'm going to start saying let's look, because I say let's see way too much. And I'm going to try to show you this time everything that I got. Oh, look. It is pinkish. It is a sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt, people. It's a sweatshirt. And it says Bratz. I think it says Bratz. And, well, the size is hidden, but I'm sure I have someone who this will be perfect for. That's item number one, not that I'm counting. Oh, look. Here we go. Oh, geez. Okay, there's the camera. Fun Delivered. At fun-delivered hyphen, no. At fun-delivered.com. Excuse me. They usually restock about every Friday, and the packages go very fast. So they're kind of like the drop of a new shoe by Nike. So be sure you get to their website, fun-delivered.com, as quickly as you can. Restocks usually occur on Fridays at noon Eastern. So be there, or it'll be an extra box for me. This is an interesting box. I love it already. Let's take a little one here. And it says return to sender, no such address. So, let's see what we have in here. This one's also kind of squishy, but I really doubt that it's a sweatshirt, but yeah, I know that fell on the floor, but my cleaning crew will clean up after me. Let's see here. Oh, I said it again. Let's see. Let's look. It is some type of, oh, look at this nice case. Oh my goodness, let's see what it is. I believe it's some type of tool set, and it's very nice, very nice. Whoever was waiting for this should have used their correct address, because now this treasure is mine. Let's continue on. Oh, there are big packages in here. I love large packages like this. This also is something squishy. So let's look. Wow, whatever it is almost too big for the package. I bet they had a real difficult time getting it in here. Oh, look. Okay. This looks like probably, I know, I have to hold it up so you can see. This is a very nice fabric. And yeah, look at this. Yep. That could be used for a multitude of things, but there's not just one. There are two, three, four. There are four. If one is good, four are better, for sure. Another small one here. Let's hope it's as good as, oh, this does have a person's name on it. They tried to darken it, but for those of you who know me, this is a little bit strange and yet humorous for me, because my career was working for the Postal Service, and I never obviously got a chance to open other people's packages. Now, it's true, in the early days, I did read my share of postcards, but enough about my felonies. We're here to open undeliverable, unclaimed mail, and it looks like what we have is a big pack. Well, it's not a big pack, but it's a pack of stars. Can you see the stars? See? I'll hold them closer. Yeah, there you go. Don't let the stars get in your eyes. There we go. Very nice. And there's even an instruction sheet in there. So maybe I'll be able to make my own universe. Who knows? They're nice. Now, oh, we have a box. The only thing better than big envelopes, squishy envelopes, are cardboard boxes. You never know what's inside. It does have an address written on the, well, it is an incomplete address, but it does say 1229. I don't know if that's a date or a route. But this is fun. Truly, seriously, it is fun to open undeliverable mail. I'm going to put that box out of camera for a second, because there's a piece of paper in here. And the only thing better than opening somebody else's packages is reading somebody else's letter. No, it's not. Of course, I'm just kidding. Hotline Games Mouse, Bungee Mouse Cord, Clip Cord Management System. So it's a product for sure. And bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap. I reuse bubble wrap. Let's see. Let's look. Let's look. Yes, it is a mouse cord clip. You see that triangular type of device. Your cord fits through there, so it's not hanging around in places where it shouldn't be. I like that. And now we have another really, really big package. Oh, and again, it has writing on the side of it. But let's look at what's inside. Oh, wait, it's torn on the side. This will help me rip it open. That really makes me feel macho. Anyway, oh, look, it's well packaged. There's a lot of tape, so yes, I know you can't see, but all I'm doing is cutting some packing tape, which I really wouldn't have to do because it is easy to tear. Oh, we have what I was hoping for in all the previous unboxings. We have shoes. Shoes, I say. Oh my goodness. They are shoes. They are shoes. They still have the fake ankles inside of them. Look at, oh, there. Look at these. Oh, look. You like them? These will probably end up on eBay. Who knows? But oh my goodness, they are so, oh. But I don't really know what size they are. Let's see if I can see. Let's look. It says 44. So that's a European size, by the way. So I'll have to translate that into US sizes. And now we have another big package. Thank you so much, Fun Delivered, for giving me nice big packages. This note says, not US, no Karen love here, but I think it means no Karen lives here. But I don't know. I try to stay away from Karens. No offense if your name is Karen. Now this is kind of in the shape of a smaller shoe box, but if you remember my last unboxing, I thought for sure it was a shoe box inside the wrapping, and oh, I was embarrassed to find that it was not. But this time, no, excuse me. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I'm my goodnessing, but oh, it is a cross-country stunt vehicle. It's called Speed Pioneer. And I want to show you that the control can go on the person's wrist. Isn't that special? It's a double remote. This is so nice. And it's brand new because it was never delivered. And now we're down to the last item. This has been a tremendous box. We're down to the last item, and it is, I'm afraid, I'm scared. We're down to our obligatory book. There's been a book in each box, and if you saw the last unboxing, I've hung some of those pictures on my wall. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. I can't wait to see what's in here. Most of the items in this box have writing on the box. Now this should be an easy open box. Now, of course, I'm going to have to first, yeah, it should be easy open, he says, as he struggles. Okay, let's look. Can we look? I have to look first because we never know in these boxes. They always include a bookmark, and I do like the bookmarks, and this says, eat, pray, and love. And the book is, oh, this is good. It's a paperback, and it is Human Rights, Politics, and Practice. This looks like this should be a very interesting book. And that concludes this opening of my latest Fun Delivered Unclaimed Mail Mystery Box. Try saying that 10 times. I want to thank the people at Fun Delivered. You put together an amazing box for me. This was a ton of fun. And again, if you'd like to participate in the fun of opening unclaimed, undeliverable mail, go on to Fun Deliver's website. It is fun-delivered.com. And remember, they usually restock every Friday at noon. So be near your device if you really want to get one, because they go fast. And that's all for now. Thanks again, Fun Delivered. And thanks again to everyone for watching this unboxing. And I think probably this whole boxing, I've not been looking at the camera because I'm fascinated by the little red dot on my screen. But anyway, be well. And I look forward to seeing you again on my next unboxing. I know. Look, I'll edit it out. They'll never hear this. What do you mean? Well, do you know that dope is really complimentary these days? Just saying. Anyway, as I was saying, I'll look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and be well.